the city, and I feel alone when you're with me. I look for places where I can't.
We arrived at Manadi coffee shop, Café.
I guess I've been searching for
It was a gloomy
places,
day, but
some familiar
it was
faces.
nice.
I think I just need
The rice was blown over by the wind.
I've been
The coffee shop's nice. The wood's a nice touch. Love those shelves on the top. Prices were okay.
Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while.
There's several espresso machines. One that's used to make the tea. That's nice. Wall art, that's pretty. Simple.
I think I just wanna feel like home, but these days I just feel long gone, and I don't know how to make it right. I've been trying to fake it. I have said I can take it.
Gloomy day outside.
But I think you
Nice
should
big coffee
let
shop.
me
Some
go.
more coffee.
Cause I need some time. Cause it
I like
has been
those
too long
shelves.
since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while.
The coffee was good.
Since I've
Hot
gotten some
mocha
time
and
just for
coffee.
me. Yeah, I need some time. Sometime I need some time. Sometime I need
Chicken wings, fried chicken wings,
sometime
thum-tum.
I need some time.
All was good.
Sometime
Very good.
I need some time. Cause I need
Way
some
too much food.
Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. Sometime I need some time.
Get outside.
I need some
Take a look at
time.
the
I need some time. I need
Several
some
sitting
time.
areas.
I need some time.
And it is gloomy and wet, so all the chairs are pushed back.
I need some time.
Little areas to take photos. Nice. Imagine a couple weeks before this was very nice out there. Rice golden yellow. A lot of people. The wind had blown the rice over. And it extends all the way to the back of the land. Have to be careful walking on the pathway. Sometimes not very sturdy. This one is okay. Got a little area to mock up of a buffalo.
มันเก็ตเลยนะนิดเดียวทำเพื่อก่อน not real
The water in the rice field still. Nice little area. I didn't dare go on top. Now we're back at the Lit Hotel. We're back. We're at the Lit Hotel. They have a nice little pool. But it's raining. Gloomy day. Didn't get to use down below much. Not at all. Setup is kind of different.
rain today ฝนตก
I kind of like this place, but a lot of little problems. Love the doors. The blue. I love the light covers. It's nice. But looks like it needs a new paint job. I don't know. I want to like this place, but now we're inside. Take a look at the bed. Very simple. Refrigerator, air conditioning, small TV. Table looks worn. Scratches and dents in it. Paint job looks dingy. Hand towels. Real toilet paper. Water refrigerator. Small closet. Looks like it needs a paint job. Outside view. Really nice. And we're almost in a little town. On the food, latte 90 baht instead of the 45-50 baht usual.
Every hidden sign, taking all my roads to you. And I will fight.
I don't know.
I will
I think overpriced. Looking at the price today, and it's at $12.50, which is more than Sunni Grand Hotel, which has a swimming pool on top, has a sauna, has a steam room, many amenities this does not have.
And I've been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home.